Hi everyone! For today's reading, we are going to use the Norse Goddess Rune Oracle. Can you see that? And we're going to check out this little story about Prince William, and I think it was in the Birmingham Mail. And we are just going to see what is going on. Apparently, someone, one of the spokespersons or his friend or something, had said that he is planning on ditching the pomp and, for the royal family, just like the coronation. And I think it had mentioned allegedly that Prince William said the crown looks like something out of Disney. I do have to agree. But we're going to see if he is going to modernize the royal family. And we're going to use the Norse Goddess Rune Oracle first. And we're going to see what is going on with this story. Is it even true? It's the Birmingham Mail and online. So let's see. Is Prince William going to modernize the monarchy and not... Well, is it the Spanish or... I forget which one, the king that doesn't have all of that stuff. I mean, sometimes it's nice, but I think he is taking... It said he's taking a look to see how much, everything costs, and he's going to revamp everything because it is just a waste of money, I think. So, I mean, it's nice to look at, but then again, if we have to pay for it as well, because I live here too with you, my lovely British friends, and so I pay taxes like you do here. So we are going to see, is Prince William actually thinking of slimming down the monarchy, modernizing it to where we don't have all the pomp, and will that all be put in a museum or something? So let's just see. Okay. So is this story true that he is going to... so Willow... And I try not to read these in reverse because there is a merc stave for it. But sun, success, and victory. So Willow is the sun, and as you can see, soul. And I do believe that in his soul, he does believe in his heart that this is kind of... However, you see her with the crown, like a crown of sunflowers and all that. So, or maybe even making it a bit less... Well, Catherine had that crown of... or a tiara of flowers, didn't she, last year? So maybe making it a bit less, like more environmental, more natural, we'll see. And the sun is a yes, that he is planning on that. And so... what else can you tell us, please? What else can you tell us about this? Is he planning on slimming down the monarchy and modernizing the monarchy? Please. Thurisaz Merkstave. Now, Thurisaz is, that is troll. Thurisaz, upright. It's a troll, and it's, a thorn, like a thorn in the side. And this is Merkstave. So Merkstave means like the shadow side of it. And so it's already a thorn and a troll upright in the positive position. So this one is aggression, conflict, and trouble. And I do think that he may be facing that from the royal family as far as his father or something. You know, this is, you can see that this is Rinder, the goddess Rinder, and has a little baby there. And you know what? This also reminds me, because a thorn in the side, about maybe the line of succession with that baby. And that's what, and look at it. It reminds me of something, doesn't it, you? That line of succession, maybe babies that shouldn't be in the line of succession, the invisible kids, and that'll be conflict, aggression, and trouble. And I do think he will be facing that. But does this bother him? Does this bother Prince William, or is he prepared? Is he prepared for this conflict and trouble and all that? Is he prepared? Ooh, Anne Sue's Merkstave. Anne Sue's, that is, okay, this is called Groa. That is Goddess Groa, but I'm not really sure. I haven't completely looked up all of the goddesses, but I do know Ansu's is in upright position, which would be this. Can you see that it looks kind of like an F there? But Ansu's is Odin's, the Allfather's rune. And it's about communication, but being in reverse, like this is Merkstave. So I ask if William is prepared for this aggression, stuff like that. And this is miscommunication, lies, and misunderstanding. You know, I think that there's going to be a lot of lies about him, because people are going to be angry. Certain people in the ex-royals are going to be angry and still spit out their lies and everything. But I asked if he is prepared, and I would say so, because it was Sawillo. That is victory, the first one. But then you also have to consider the negative cards around. But let's just ask, is Prince William going to be, as king, is he going to be prepared for any of this trouble or whatever that's going to come along with this? Oh my goodness, Fehu. That is number one as well. And Fehu, this is Freya, and this is portable wealth, abundance, and finances. And Freya, she loved her gold necklace so much. And this is her with her cats, and she's happy, surrounded with everything she wants. And this is portable wealth. So Fehu is like the definition is like cattle, because cattle way back when, it was used as a payment, so people got paid in cattle, which it's wealth as well, and it's portable wealth. That means, you know, the cattle could be moved by, walking them to the next whatever, to pay someone. It's abundance and finances. He's surrounded with everything he needs, and I do believe that he is prepared. He will be prepared for what is coming. He'll be prepared for what is coming. And also, Freya loved her gold chain so much that she really was a protector of that too. So I believe that William is prepared. He probably is prepared already, So the outcome of this slimming, or what he's going to do, we did find that out yesterday when I used my lovely rhodonite crystal. I love that crystal. It's so beautiful. And this is the crystal of healing very hurtful wounds and forgiveness. But I don't think that I think he has forgiven in his own way, as far as I saw that he has stopped talking about his brother, has stopped talking about Harry at all. So that is his way of forgiveness. Just get it out of his life, and which is rightly so. So outcome for William. Let's just do a little bit of a cut here and see what is the outcome for this reading. He apparently in that article said that the crown looks like Disney and everything is anyway. So what is the outcome going to be for him for this? Is he going to keep what's now, or is he going to modernize everything? And I seriously hope he modernizes everything, but let's see. Algas in that's Merksave, and Algas is protection. Boundaries, defense, and denial. Okay, so Algas is elk, because they are very protective, or it's also it is protection. That is the word. So this is boundaries, defense, and denial. I do think that with that Algas Merksave, he has put up his boundaries for his children, his wife, and denial. That makes so much sense. Denying the past, denying anything coming back in. Okay, that makes sense to me. Wow, okay, lovely. So I think he will be modernizing. He's going to deny any of the pomp. But I know a lot of us love that. It doesn't mean that Catherine won't be dressed up. But I think all of the stuff, this costs so much. That's what I think. He's going to start getting rid of that sort of thing. Which isn't a bad thing, guys. I mean, look at all, you have to be sensible of this, and we are moving on. We are moving forward. We need a modernized monarchy, right? We can't just keep going. I really do think with that reading that I did last night about William and Catherine and how hurt they've been and stuff, and that is, a lot of it has been in the family. So I think they're just going to say, right, get rid of it, get rid of all that stuff, and just slim it down. That's what I think. Anyway, thank you guys so much, and please press that like button. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thank you to all of my members as well. I appreciate you so much. It's lovely. I had that live with you guys the other night. It's so lovely to be able to just have a conversation with you guys, and I appreciate your support. Thank you, and I will see you on the next one.